Jordan? Where did Jordan go? Okay, y'all, I don't know where Jordan went. Here's the other twin. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Y'all, it's real hot. It's real hot.
Get in.
Hell no, I'm about to go sit in the shade or in the car. It's fucking hot. Kayla's in the pool. Look at it's pretty nice out here, but it's burning up. Look at the slide. I'm too hot. I'm too hot. I can't get in this pool, y'all. It's hot. Yeah, they're on the slide trying to surf, and it's not really working for them. So let's see what this one does. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Julia. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Hey. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Everyone, this is Florian.
I'm her best friend.
She's also from
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who wants cheese?
Hey YouTube, what's up y'all? So at this point in time, I've just left work. So now I am on the way to go to Walmart. I can already tell it's gonna be a disaster. I feel like everybody's out right now and I really don't understand what's going on. I understand these people don't work. Maybe they have the same shift as me. I'm just gonna think of that. Maybe they work 6 to 2:30 too. Cause I get off at 2:30 p.m. I go in at 6 a.m. So I practically have the whole day ahead of myself when I do get off. So I'm about to go to Walmart. I really don't need that much because I have most of the stuff at home that I'm gonna need. Today I'm going to be making chicken and noodles for you all, as well as cornbread muffins. So I really only need cornbread mix. I need some batteries for the smoke detector. It's going off. Like the beep sound is driving me nuts now. So, and I wanted to drive you all nuts. So I need that. And then I have to get the chicken. I need bell pepper. What else do I need? I need the noodles. And that's it, really. I got everything else at home. So I'm about to go to Walmart now. Hopefully it's not too busy and I can take you all in there. And the people gonna look. Let's just let them look. I'm gonna take you all in there so that we can shop together and I can show you all what all you're gonna need for this meal. When I get home I will show you all the ingredients, but I am just gonna right now show you what I need today because I don't need that much. I think I only need like, well, from here I have the noodles at home, I think. So I think I only need the batteries for the smoke detector and the cornbread mix, but I'm going all the way to Walmart to get this, y'all. I could have went to Price Chopper, but batteries at Price Chopper, we live in Kansas City, Missouri, so batteries at Price Chopper are way more expensive than batteries at Walmart, you know? And if you can save a coin or two, save it. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to Walmart. And then I'll show you all when I get there, because right now it's a little bit of traffic and I don't want to keep. So I'm currently in Walmart and I found what I need. Actually, I need this. I only want one. I don't think I'm gonna do that. So let's see. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Now let's see. I need to find the batteries, and I'm assuming that they're gonna be in the electronic aisle. Okay, first things first, let's wash our hands. Let's get them nice and lathered. Now we have our chicken seasoned and prepped, ready to go. Let that marinate for a little bit. Then we have our chopped onion and chopped bell pepper. We also have our wide egg noodles that will also go in with the chicken. Now that we have our boil, it's time to add the chicken to the boil. Next step, to provide flavor to the chicken, let's go ahead and add our onion and bell pepper in with the boiled mixture. Now I want to show you what I use to season the chicken. I use soul food seasoned salt, roasted garlic and herb. I use creole seasoning. I use black pepper. And lastly, I use garlic powder. Chicken is done. Add noodles. Stir, 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 stir. Now it's time to make the cornbread. So I'm just taking my Jiffy mix and I'm going to open it. I had a little trouble getting it open. Oh, got it. Open it, dump it into the bowl. Next, I'm going to get me a mixer out. Kind of got messy. Got it on the counter. And that mess was no bueno. Then I'm going to take my egg. And I'm only going to need one egg for this. So I'll go ahead and crack that egg into the mixture like so. Making sure no shells fell into the mixture. Then you'll need 1/3 cup of milk. You'll want to make sure you measure the milk out evenly, making sure that you're not pouring any extra into the bowl. Then you're prepared to stir. Now it's time to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Just making sure I'm getting all the clumps out, and then we're going to let that sit. Now it's time to take your oil. You can use any. I use canola, and oil the pan evenly so that the cornbread doesn't stick. Now you're prepared to pour your cornbread mixture into the pan nice and evenly. Once it's all even, it's time to put the mixture into the oven. I put it on the top rack. Once in the oven, be prepared to set your timer to 15 minutes. Now it's time to check on the chicken and noodles, and they look lovely. They're all done. I'm just going to cover this. Cornbread is golden brown, nice and done. Now it's time to taste the food. My favorite part with the hot sauce. I love my hot sauce, y'all.